Alright, well we know how a dowel pin is hardened. So let's see if we can find something harder to cut with. Now we go to some expensive drills. Carbide. Those are the cheap $3 drills. Let's go to the expensive shit. That's too small. That's pretty small too. Oh yeah. Barely even 1/8 of an inch. That might be enough to power through, but I doubt it. It's breaking stuff. There's one. So there's a carbide drill. Let's try this one. Here's a red one. There's one. There's a used one. I've already used and abused. Appears to be a little bit bigger. Let's see what size hole we're doing over here. I don't even know what size we're cutting. Okay, that's a little bit thicker. There, let's use this one. This is a little bit smaller than what I was doing, just cutting, so try that. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it didn't break going through. They like to break as you pop out the bottom. Alright, it passed. It didn't break. Okay, so I don't know what the chance of getting that out right now are. Probably slim to none. Better chance of kicking the camera. Let's see. I'm going to try to save this hole somehow. Okay, I'll put the old drill in the hole. We'll put the vice grip on it. It screwed up everything else already. Let's see if it'll come off. Can't even bite onto it. Nope. Nope. Just breaking, that's all I'm doing. Alright. Let's see. What size of dowel pins here? Well, we got a hole already. Put the drill in there, see what happens. Okay, so this is the bigger one. try cutting more. This is going to probably snap and break. Solid carbide does not like to be screwed with. All this has to is twist a little bit and it'll snap it right off. Definitely got to feed it slowly. Went all the way through. Smoking hot. Warmed it up. Definitely is warm. Burning my finger. Alright. So what do we got left to get out of there? Not sure. That was 200 thousandths. So we got another 50 thou in there. 25 wall is what's left. That doesn't fit in there. It's undercut. I don't want to put a 1/4 inch drill in there because that's just going to destroy the hole. What's left? Damn. $200 thou. That's the size of the hole. Let's try the pliers again. Nope, not feeling very good. Broke it. Yep. Oh. There's a 204 drill. Ah, damn it. Not sure when I'm going to get that out of there. Nothing left to work with. Let's see, what am I going to do? look through our junk pile over here. Okay, these are the carbides. That was the last of those I had, I think. Oh, that wasn't the right one. Should be a carbide center drill in here. Maybe. Most of those I broke already doing stuff like this. Take a $30 center drill, use it once and destroy it. Shows you how this job goes. Number 4. Number 4 carbide, big X on it. That means it's either the one I've been using or it's broken already. It doesn't appear to be broken. That one looks new. Another new one. Okay, so we got a brand new center drill. Should be 5/16. Yep. So if I put this in there, that should at least make this an even hole. Right now you can't do squat because it's broken off. At least this way to cut it down. Shadow's not good. Brakes are. Where I go. Assuming I'm not on center, that's why it's not evenly coming off. I had to guess what center was because it was pretty torn up. Let's move it over a couple thou this way. A couple thou this other way. Let's see what happens. I can see the edge of the hole now. Definitely going to move it back this way a little. Thou. 2 thou back. Looks pretty even. So you got to cut the, you can see the silver and the steel part in the middle. See, that's about equal in the chamfer. That means I'm now on center. So we go ahead and zero every these things out. We know we're on center. Now I'm going to try to drill that through with a drill and a regular drill, which I'm sure is not going to drill. That's it. Let's drop the damn carbide drill and break it. Where did it go to? No, it went down. Down where? Don't see it. There it is. Went down the hole. Okay, so let's see what we got to use around here. we got to figure out what we're going to cut with next. I use a 1/4 inch, an under 1/4 inch solid carbide something. Problem is I don't have it. What's this? Rotary tool something something. It's a center drill. Carbide, small one. Actually, it's a 1/4 inch one. That's carbide. Quarter inch. Yeah, that's not made to be a drill, but that is a center drill. That will cut it out, but it'll cut it oversized. To screw up that hole a little bit. That'll cut 5 over. That'll destroy my dowel pin hole. Let's see, what else do we got? Carbide. Nothing the size I need in there. That's close, but that's too small, I think. Oh, well, that's something. Let's see what size that is. 202, that's too small to do anything. We already got that hole. That's one of those drills that broke. That's what they look like when they're broken. No dinky thing. There's a dinky one that broke. Carbide don't have to be sharp to cut. It'll rub through. Okay, so oh, we got this. More than likely this is going to break, and it's going to definitely make the hole oversized. Neither one of those two I really want to do. These are not made to drill bore holes either. That makes them break also. Shit. Before I do that, I'll try drilling it out. I'll try a regular drill bit. Just burn it up. It's worth a try. See what I have in junk drills laying around. This one's 220 thou, 222. I'd rather be bigger than that. Let's see, what's the biggest thing we got? 220 is the biggest thing we got. That's probably what that was. I'm like tearing up new drills. But that's what they're for, I guess. 240's already gone. That's a D drill. That's the one I'd want to use. That's 246 C drill. That's a C drill. That's a brand new drill bit. High angle too. Well, that's an expensive drill. Let's see if we can find something else. Let's go into fractional drill bits. 15/64, 234. Another brand new drill. Conventional. There's a brand new 1/4 incher. Could try running that thing through. I don't know. I don't think it'll cut. 234. We'll try 234. Brand new drill. Gonna get wasted. 99% sure it's going to screw it up. But there's 1% chance the dowel will come out and the hole will be good. So we got to go for it. We're going to slow it down now. Did not help that drill one bit. Didn't bring the sleeve up with it. I'm sure the drill isn't very happy about that. No, that didn't help it at all. It dulled the edge of it pretty good. Yeah. That probably won't cut as good as it used to. The bad part was, it's still in there. Damn. That thing is just welded in. That was 234 drill. I think that was the size of it. Yeah, it's 234 thou. That's 16 thou. That's 8 thousandths wall if I'm on center. You'd think it would come out at 8 thou wall. That was hard cutting. Still did not come out. Damn. That thing is in there. That thing is welded in there. No coming out. Even cutting it right to the end. So the next option is we can run a 1/4 inch through it, or we can rub it through with a 1/4 inch of solid carbide. Trying to think of which one's worse. More than likely this will break. Yeah, They don't like to wobble. It'll snap. This one will definitely tear up the edge of it. Theoretically, it should come out though. One way or the other. I think I'd rather use the 1/4" drill. We've already destroyed most of this. Alright, well, brand new drill bit. Once again, if you're going to screw it up, might as well screw up a new part. Alright, I don't really want to do this, but let's see what happens. Cutting aluminum is bad. That hole is definitely oversized. So there's how thin wall that sleeve was. That's the dowel pin. You can see how it moved a little bit, but it never come out. That's probably because it's spinning right now, because it never moved. Alright. Well, that hole is screwed up. You cut aluminum, that means the hole's bigger. And I went all the way down because I had to pull it out. Oh, fuck. That thing is wasted. Yeah, it's way oversized. Here's the 1/4" dowel that come out of the other one. Oh yeah, that hole's junk. Yep, 100% wasted it. That case is screwed. So that's the alignment for the cam cover. We have no alignment for the cam cover because we have no idea where it's supposed to be now because the hole's all screwed up. So that needs to be re-put back in the correct spot somehow. But I have no idea where that correct spot is. What a piece of crap. So now your cam cover is just free to float around. And the hole's all screwed up anyway. The gasket surface is junk. I knew that was going to get screwed. It is. All because the dowel wouldn't come out and I had to have it out. Yep. And once these things don't want to come out, it's usually best to stop and do something else. At some point it was going to have to come out because I got to do a lot of machinist cases. I need to have this surface available to be used. Alright. Well, I'll see if I get a blueprint and maybe I can somehow come up with the correct number. Probably not. Cam cover is going to be off a little bit. Pinion bush will get tight. It'll wear itself in. Not the best of scenario, but that's the way it goes. For now, that hole's trash. That is going to have to be fixed at some point. So, I have no idea where it's supposed to be right now. I had a pretty good idea we're on center right now from where it was. So that's a plus. It should be within probably 2 or 3 thou of the original center point right now. So what I need to do is I need to bore this hole right on the center where it is. Worst case, I can probably make an oversized step dowel to go in the hole to bring it back to a standard. Until we put a cam curve on it, we don't know if it's on center or not. Alright, so I need something really, really small to use for boring bore. Alright, I'm going to go find some tools. Be back.